Whiteboard Video Packs is compatible with other popular video and graphics software programs such as Photoshop, Keynote, PowerPoint, Explaindio, VideoScribe, Adobe Illustrator, and Easy Sketch Pro. This product can be used in a number of ways for different purposes in addition to whiteboard videos, such as for your blog, website, social media avatars, print projects and t-shirt designs, and in other promotional ways. This is a way to create engagement through storytelling. By entertaining your client base, you get them to relax and thus are more open to your offer. This is done through cartoons and animation. The good and the not so good. The good, compatible with other graphic and video software programs. Save money on outsourcing. Add a unique touch to your videos. Effective for both online and offline marketers. Make storytelling about you and your business easy and persuasive. Customize content with exclusive rights. Easy to use. 30-day money-back guarantee. No additional editing needed. The not so good need to devote the time to familiarize yourself with all the packs and modules to learn how to most effectively utilize them for your specific needs. There are upgrades. Who is Whiteboard Video Packs for? This is an effective tool for any internet marketer, product creator, affiliate marketer, blogger, etc. who are interested in using whiteboard videos to create their own stories. By creating your own unique stories, you are then able to present your offers in an appealing way. This also builds your authority and allows you to create brands in an entertaining and fun ways which lead to greater conversions and sales. Final thoughts. This is basically a good product if you want to use graphics and videos in a creative way to individualize your offer to set it apart from your competitors. It all depends on what your overall objectives are with your campaign and how you like to present your offers. It is not for everybody, but it can give your campaigns a unique twist using whiteboard animation. It also can save some time and effort on your part, as it is time-consuming to shoot and edit video. It is good to ask, given your specific circumstances in your online business, if utilizing this product will lead to more sales. The answer to that will be different for everyone. Before making a decision on this, take some time to assess your current strategies and their effectiveness, so that you can logically determine if this product will help your business. By doing an effective cost-benefit analysis, you will know if it can benefit your business. Finally, there are many ways to create an emotional impact with your audience and your market niche. This product can help you do it through video, but you can also accomplish this by offering value and being authentic in your blog posts, sales pages, offers, and videos.